YouTube food. YouTube food. YouTube food.
Let's go.
YouTube food. YouTube.
Hi, Billy Mays here for the Big City Slider Station, the fast and easy way to press and cook delicious sliders.
It's easier to do a handstand while taking a shit.
No more squishing and squashing or flipping and flopping. With the Slider Station, just scoop, press, and cook right on your stove.
It doesn't work.
And in
Over 9,000!
minutes, you'll have 5
Fucking shit.
sliders.
You don't know shit about how fucking shitty this fucking shit is.
And watch them attack your family. Top with pickles, onions, ketchup or cheese, Big City Sliders are sure to... Double-sided non-stick surface is so slick, not even burnt-on cheese will stick. No flipping and no hassle. Whether it's ground beef, chuck or sirloin, just scoop, press, and cook. Call now and receive the Big City Slider Station with measuring scoop for just...
Over 9,000!
We'll also include the Slider Station recipe guide, loaded with my favorite creations like the barbecue bacon cheddar and the original Billy Burger free. You get it all. Big City Slider Station, measuring scoop, recipe guide, and quick prep slicer, all for just...
Over 9,000!
Order right now.